Huh? Wait. Something's missing. But I can't remember what it is. If you are a small YouTuber, you need to check this video.
This is your channel.
So yeah, welcome again to your channel. My name is Patrick, and for today, I'm missing something. So I figured I might relate it to YouTube. Join me as I find that very important thing to me while we figure out also what's missing in our channel. To start this, it's getting hot. So I'll change my clothes first. Okay, let's start. Let's go. So, as I mentioned, I want to do this vlog like an analogy.
A comparison between two things, typically for the purpose of explanation or clarification.
To show that finding something can be related to YouTube as well. The first pointer I want to give you is that we have to know what we're looking for. We have to know what is our goal. We have to know what is that something that we are striving to find. And for me, I think it is something that is important to me that I use every single day. If you have a clue on this, type it in the comment section. Or if you don't have a clue, please hit the like button. But maybe it's, I think it's in my bag. Oh. It's a little bit wet out here, but yeah, maybe it's in my bag. But for our second pointer, now that we have identified what is missing, the next question you need to ask is, why is it missing? Why are you looking for that thing? Why are you putting that thing as a goal? So for me, why am I doing YouTube? I can directly help people while I am enjoying, researching, acknowledging things, and giving tips to other people that directly impact their lives. And I really believe that if you have a message, if you have something that you need to voice out, YouTube is a great way to do that. That is why I do YouTube. Now, I think it's not in my bag. What's in my bag though? Dried mangoes. I can't survive my week without dried mangoes. Maybe it's in my shoes. Nah, it's not. Let's try to look a little bit more.
Maybe it's here. Oh.
No, it's not here. I don't know where it is. Maybe here? No. Nuh-uh.
Here?
No. Hey. It's not here, but you should subscribe. We tried in a lot of areas, right? And my place looks like a mess. See? It looks like a mess. So what's really missing? What's lacking? What is something that I am not doing? Well, my friend, this is a very powerful tip, so please pay attention to this. What's lacking? It is storytelling. It is telling a story while you are doing your thing. Do you remember the first educational book that you read? I don't think so. But let me ask you this. Do you remember the first stories that your parents had told you? I'm sure you do. So if you want to be remembered by your subscribers, if you want them to subscribe to your channel, you have to connect with them. You have to tell your stories in a manner that you are educating, but they are also getting to know a little bit about you. So yeah, that's a powerful tip, and I hope you get something out of it. In a practical note, if you will ask me, I've done a lot of videos so far. I've looked everywhere. Where should I look into my channel now that I know I need to insert more my character into the vlogs? Now that my room is in a mess. Now that I don't know where to grow my channel. So the first step I want to give you is, where have you been? You need to look into your old videos and then identify where your subscribers are clicking off.
Work on your thumbnail. Why? Because your thumbnail is the it is what you are good at.
In the same manner that when you're finding something, you need to look back. Where have you been? Today, I don't remember where I have been, but I am sure that I went to the office.